Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see test 1. Underline the nouns and state whether they are singular, plural or uncountable nouns. Mother took the basket of oranges and gave it to Peter. So mother is a singular, mother is a singular and basket singular, oranges plural, Peter singular. Okay. The boy tied a string to his kite and flew it in the sky. Boy singular, string singular, kite singular, sky singular. Okay. The girls practiced their roles for the concert and sang in the choir. Girls plural, roles plural, concert singular, choir singular. Okay. Next, the village girls plucked flowers to make garlands. Village singular, girls plural, flowers plural, garlands plural. Bhaskar bought a motorbike and drove it through the town. Bhaskar singular, motorbike singular, town singular. Okay. Next, I found a loaf of bread in the basket. Loaf singular, bread uncountable, uncountable, basket singular. Understood? Rewrite the sentences using an apostrophe with the nouns to show possession. The ball in your hand belongs to Shankar. The ball in your hand is Shankar's. Okay. I'm wearing the necklace which belongs to my grandmother. I'm wearing my grandmother's necklace. These books belongs to Mohan. These are Mohan's books. Okay. This collar belongs to my dog Pluto. This this is my dog Pluto's collar. Okay. The flowers are from the garden of my friend. The flowers are the flowers are from my friend's garden. Friend's garden. The rat bit the tail of the cat. The rat bit the cat's tail. The rat bit the cat's tail. Okay. Next, complete the sentences using suitable predicates. The woodcutter cut down the trees. The lady is singing a song. I dash. I like to play chess. It dash. It is raining. It is raining. It is raining heavily. Raman and Abhishek are good friends. Birds fly in the sky. Underline the subject and circle the verb in the sentences. The protest march will end tomorrow. The protest march is a subject, will end is a verb. He will leave the work unfinished. He is a subject, will leave is a verb. The box fell and broke. The box is a subject, fell and broke are verbs. I lost my phone yesterday. I is a subject, lost is a verb. Okay. The crook hid in the bushes. The crook is a subject, hid is a verb. The oranges fell under the table. The oranges is a subject, fell is a verb. Understood? Next. Identify the sentences as assertive, interrogative, imperative, and or exclamatory. I am learning to make paper boats. Assertive. Don't run on the road. Imperative. Rupa has a new doll. Assertive. How pretty your dress looks. exclamatory. Shut the door, imperative. Didn't Rohit bring the snacks? Interrogative. Next, change the change and rewrite the sentences according to the given instructions. The machine is not working. Interrogative. Is is the machine working? It was a very good performance! Exclamatory. What a very good performance! What a very good performance it was. Does he like to play football with his friends? Assertive. He likes he he likes to play football. He likes to play football with with his friends. Full stop. Can you come here? Imperative. Please come here. What a beautiful bird the peacock is. Interrogative. Isn't the peacock isn't the peacock a beautiful bird? Beautiful bird. Isn't the peacock a beautiful bird? Amit is going to distribute sweets. Interrogative. Is is Amit going to distribute sweets? Question mark. Next, underline the adjectives and state their kind. 5 small round balloons floated in the sky. 5 adjectives of number. Small, round, both are adjectives of quality. Quality. Okay. The crew was ready to begin the long voyage. Ready, adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality. Long, adjectives of quality. I like to watch funny cartoons and educational programs. Funny. Adjectives of adjectives of quality, educational, adjectives of quality. This beautiful watch belongs to my grandfather. This demonstrative, demonstrative adjective, demonstrative adjective. Beautiful, adjectives of quality, adjectives of quality. The child drank some milk and went out to play. Some, adjectives of quality. A large crowd gathered around the ancient temple to pray. Large, adjectives of quality. Ancient, adjectives of quality. Underline the adjectives and write the degrees of comparison of each. I caught two large mice in a mouse trap. Large, positive degree. Many people will go on a longer pilgrimage next year. Longer, comparative, comparative degree. I am writing a better essay than I did last week. Better, comparative degree. He ate the biggest slice of pizza available. Biggest, superlative, superlative degree. He is a fast worker who always works sincerely. Past, positive degree. He is as tall as you. Tall, positive degree. Tulips are the most colorful flowers in this garden. Most colorful, superlative degree. My room is cleaner than yours. Cleaner, comparative degree. Understood? For this, we finished our test 1. Tomorrow, we will start our course book. Okay? Thank you.